This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you control the first email used with your Valorant account. This is the recovery anchor. If you can't sign in, perform the email provider's password reset now so you receive verification codes. Once you regain access, search for any Riot or Valorant messages to note account ID. Make sure two-factor backups or recovery codes are available. They speed verification later and prove ownership. Next, open Riot's support form and select account access. This is where you submit ownership evidence. Provide the original email, your exact Riot ID hashtag, and approximate sign-up date to narrow the search. Attach any proof, screenshots of past logins, payment receipts, or email headers from Riot messages. These items explain why you're the owner. Once done, write a brief, clear timeline in the form, so agent finally follow the Riot agent's instructions to reset your password and secure the account. You'll often receive a verification link to the original email. After reset, re-enable two-factor authentication and update recovery options to prevent repeat issues. If the process stalls, reply promptly with your case ID and any new evidence. Escalate politely if necessary. If you still can't access, try the email header proof again. Showing received Riot mails often resolves ownership disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.